Hey everybody, I know that I talk about having a balance, so I thought I would get out and show you what some of the balance is in my life. I'm in a national forest, and it's important that we have a reverence for nature. Nature is an essential part of our beings, and the more you're in nature, the deeper your reverence for it grows, and you begin to understand that it's a part of you and you're a part of it, and you want to take care of that, another balance in your life. Don't be those clowns who sit on the couch or watch the TV or see something on their phone and all of a sudden there's some cause that comes up by people who are wearing high-tech outdoor clothing that looks brand new. Better take a look at the bum. He knows more about nature than those cats do. Anyway, get out in nature, dirty up some clothes, and become reverent toward nature. I don't know if this is going to video or not. Hey everybody, just thought I'd jump in for a moment. Just released a video on harmony, rhythm, and balance, and I was in the wilderness a few days before I made the video, and I kind of did a talking video there out in the national forest, and I thought I would include that, and I've got some photos and stuff for that trip that day. Anyway, I just wanted to jump in here real quick and let you know I appreciate you tuning in to the channel, and have a grateful day. Thanks for watching.
You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feels bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.